Hi everyone, this is Maria Dolan, Marketing Director for Carteret Mobile Park. Today we're revisiting Lot L2 in Carteret Mobile Park in Carteret, New Jersey. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath in our land lease community. And we've done a ton of renovations on this house. Here is 1-car parking, and you've got the front end of the house has now been new stone have been put there, and the steps have been painted, and we added central air conditioning. The little shed is still there, and the propane gas is for heating and cooking. Here's a view of the lot. Here's the back of the house. And then we're walking on the neighbor's lot, but this is the secondary stairwell for emergency purposes. So we painted the door and painted the steps. We painted the shutters. This house is a DeRose home. It was built in 1990, and we've done a lot of work inside. So we're going to take a look in a minute. I'll have after the video before and after pictures of the renovations. So here is new laminate flooring, and the whole house has been painted. This laminate flooring goes in the kitchen, the living room, the hallway, and the bathroom. There's our new appliances in the kitchen, a new refrigerator, a new gas stove, a new range hood. I believe we put in new faucets also, and new lighting. These are all LED lights now. So here's a look at your living room. A beautiful fan and a light fixture on the top. That's a new fixture. The flooring came out so nice. Isn't that pretty? I don't have the dimensions of the rooms, but here's the front end kitchen. Everyone loves the front end kitchen. Through your little window, you can see the street. You got a new refrigerator. Let's take a peek inside. The cabinets were in great condition. We just washed them out. They're all wood, and they're adjustable shelves. Let's take a look inside. You've got a laminate countertop. We've polished up the stainless steel sink. Here's your corner cabinet, again adjustable, all wood. Great hinges. Here's a little drawer. And another one. This is an amazing stove. It's got the griddle in the middle. So there's a burner underneath that griddle. Here's your cabinets, your range, and your oven. Let's take a look in there. And underneath there's a little warmer. By code, we have to have a fire extinguisher. So we'll back up and take a look at the whole view of the kitchen now. That just came out remarkable. Here's your programmable thermostat. Here's your hallway area for your washer and dryer. Again, all wood cabinets with adjustable shelves. Here's where you put your washer. And the dryer now has a vent and electric outlet with the right wattage. Here's your back door in case of emergency. By code, all HUD homes have to have a door adjacent to the bedroom. Peek at the kitchen from here. And now the main renovation was the bathroom. This was completely gutted, and we did a new commode, new flooring. We put the cabinet back. Great storage space. Then the shower stall was completely redone. This was a teeny tiny little bathtub, and this is all hand tiled. That was installed by one of our workers. A new pan in the bottom. We grouted and tiled. We kept the transom window, new shower head, and a new sink. We actually moved the wall over a little bit to give you more room. And a mirror, new LED lights above. I love this sink. Isn't that pretty? So new vanity, new tiled shower stall, new toilet. Isn't that cool? We have a new furnace. We'll get that on the way back, I guess. Here's the bedroom. This is new carpeting and again painted. There's your closet. And it's got a little indent there for a piece of furniture. That behind there is a hot water heater. And there's cable both in the bedroom and in the living room. The carpeting looks beautiful. So we'll take a peek inside the closet. There's leftover linoleum flooring. Here's your rod for your clothing. And this is your 100 amp electric service panel. It's behind the door. There's a new furnace. So I believe this house now has a purchase agreement signed and a deposit. So this house is pending. And if you're interested in any other homes in Carteret Mobile Park in Carteret, New Jersey, just go to the website myhomeincarteret.com and fill out the pre-qualifying questions, and we'll just walk you through the process step by step. You'll receive several emails, one for financing if you need it, the process if you're a cash buyer, our rental criteria. A lot of this is on the website, but I do send it out as an email little by little so that people can absorb one thing at a time. And now we're going to run through a series of photographs. So this is before, and this is after. This is before, and now after. So enjoy the photos. They run through every single room and every single area before and after. We look forward to hearing from you. Please like and subscribe and share the video. Thank you so much. This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception. Here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the 2nd generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the Turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office. This is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet. It's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1 bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.